told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
Keep your love life, bank account, and next move private. This is all about secret. Actually, much of the things you do in life should be kept secret. Because the enemy only deal and attack what they know. If you keep your love life, bank account, and what you want to do next secret, you will surely not be attacked. People will just get surprised by what you come out with. Because under sunshine, we just have a lot of people who understanding them is just very difficult. It is very hard to understand human being. Even scientists have failed to understand human being. So it is quite important for you to keep secret about what you do in life. It's like a game of chess. Just let people hear when you're saying checkmate. You move, you move, you move, and they just hear you say checkmate. So let it be secret, private, just like the game of chess. Thank you very much.
It's you, baby.